Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Arjati Creations. Today we are going to be creating a very special project. We learn how to create the Shree Yantra. To do that, I have taken my normal A4 size sheet and I've divided it into half to get my center. Now we are going to draw our Shree Yantra. To draw our Shree Yantra, it is very important to follow all the steps so that we can get our perfect Shree Yantra. Now first and the foremost, what we are going to do is, taking this line as base, we are going to create a table and mark points at 2 centimeter gaps. So we are going to obtain a table of a square of 16 by 16. So first, let me draw a square of 16 by 16. So I'm just drawing these lines here at a gap of 2 centimeter. Now the grid that you are drawing right now, or the lines that you are drawing right now, should be perfect. Okay. In the same way, marking this line, just draw a grid at 2 centimeter. We'll get a square as well as a grid ready for creating our Shree. Now so you can see that my grid is ready. Now I will be marking points and explaining. In a Shree Yantra there are 9 triangles. So drawing all these 9 triangles with perfect precision is important. Now this is our center line. So we will take a point below the center line here, and a point on the main center line here. First, just join it to create your first triangle. So this is my first triangle of Shree Yantra. I'm going to first draw it in pencil and I'm going to keep doing it alongside with pen so that I can explain and there is no error in our. Now we come to the second triangle. To get the second triangle, this is the center line. Mark a point above on the corners and mark a point on the center. This is going to be our second triangle. This way, we have obtained our second triangle of Shree Yantra. To get the third triangle of Shree Yantra, we need to work beyond this. So in this, we took this. Now just take a point inside. This point is going to be our line. And the point where it is going to join is this. Now what is very important to follow here is that when you are joining this line, it should pass through this intersection. That is why drawing it with a pencil initially is going to help you, because otherwise you will not be able to change it, and you might have to do the yantra again and this way. This is our third triangle. So now let us do it with a pen. Okay. So our third triangle of Shree Yantra is done. To obtain the fourth triangle, like we moved that side, we are going to move this side. These are the 2 points. And the third point that we have to obtain is this, 1 point base. Again, you have to be careful. This has to go through this intersection. Like this. So this is our fourth triangle. Okay. Now we come to our fifth triangle. Now to make our fifth triangle, what we are going to do, we will move a little this side. We will come to this and this. So we have marked these two, and the point is going to be on this line. There is a little difference here. It should pass through these intersection points. So this way our fifth triangle is done. Now comes the sixth triangle. Now to obtain the sixth triangle, what we should do is right now is that first we go this side, and these are the 2 points. But the center point of the sixth triangle is a little different. To obtain the center point, what we need to do is, we have this portion, this particular portion. We need to divide this portion into half. So just mark at 1 centimeter 2 lines. 1 centimeter and 3 centimeter, because 2 centimeter we already have joined them. Okay. Now we already have those points. The point is here. Now just connect these lines. Okay. So now our 6 triangles are done, 3 facing down, 3 facing up. 6 triangles are done. Now we come to our 7th triangle. Now for creating the 7th and the 8th triangles, see these lines that we have created, you remember? First, it is going to be this line that we have created. The first triangle base is going to be on this line. So just mark the points where it intersects the bigger triangle. So where it intersects this bigger triangle, this line, just mark these points. This point and this point. And this is one empty point which is there. We are going to connect these 3 to create our 7th triangle. So let us connect. This is our 7th triangle done. Now we need to do our 8th triangle. For the 8th triangle, see where this point intersects the upper triangle, like this. And this is an empty point line over here. Now let us connect this to create our 8th triangle. Now we come to our last or the 9th triangle. Now this is important. This is, see, the centermost point or the bindu in the yantra. Now just see that these are the 2 points which are making this diamond shape. Just obtain a line which goes through it, which intersects it. This line is above our bindu or point. Now the point where it touches the upward triangle, mind you, these are the 2 points. So just join these are the points with this point. Okay, it is passing through the intersection. So this is our 9th triangle. So these are the 9 triangles which help us create a beautiful picture of the Shree Yantra. We are going to complete the Shree Yantra with the help of petals that we will create. For that, just take your compass. We have a center point. We have this point. Just create a circle. create another circle at a distance of about half and in length. Just create like this. Let us also create a grid now. This grid will help us in creating petals around our Shree Yantra. First, I am creating a 30-degree gradient. So, if we create a 30-degree grid, that is 360 divided by 30 degrees, we will be able to create 12 petals. So we have divided it into 12 parts. Now these 12 petals appear to be bigger. I'm going to just divide it further into half and show you. I'm going to remove my rubber marks for in between so that the Shree Yantra is more clearly visible. So now I just outlined it and I have drawn my 30-degree angles. Now we are going to make petals in this. Now let us give it a light color to make it look more pretty. Now we are going to start our painting. For painting this, the color that I am using first is a golden color. So I will be using my golden to do the petals. Now we are also going to do this line with golden color. So now my golden has dried up. I'm taking this blue color. This is a Persian blue and I'll be putting my blue color, Persian blue, outside here. So it's going to really look vibrant with the golden color line that we have just created. Now let us finish the painting for the Shree Yantra. For that I am taking my orange acrylic color and be careful, follow wherever I am doing to finish your Shree Yantra paint. So in this way you can see that our beautiful painting of the Shree Yantra is done.
Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.